Eagle Z is on air. Super loads, nightmare terrain, and nerve-wracking maneuvers. This is a battle between gravity, machines, and human skill. Buckle up. Let's dive into the action. Each cable spool weighs 40 tons, but the road is only 2.8 meters wide. This isn't just transportation, it's a test of nerves. Every narrow road, every tight turn, slowly conquered under the guidance of the driver and logistics team. Their skills are truly amazing. With a tight turn and an ill-suited turning radius, the trailer's rear end slid onto the curb and got stuck. How will the recovery team handle this? Let's watch and find out. To the right, a deep ravine. Under the wheels, ice and snow, and this vehicle is pulling a heavy machine behind it. Every wheel rotation is a heart-stopping moment. Every meter of road, a story of courage and bravery. Can you guess what this is? Well, it's a colossal revolving frame section weighing 635 tons for a dragline excavator. Given its oversized weight and dimensions, transporting this equipment requires flexible multi-axle flatbed trailers with support from multiple prime movers at both the front and rear. Its scale is truly massive, isn't it? Deep within the vast mine, the RH-170 is quietly loading tons of earth onto the Hitachi EH-3500. With a bucket capacity of up to 34 cubic meters, the truck bed is full after just a few scoops. This optimizes the mining cycle, and ensures superior hauling productivity. For over 100 years, the Gherardi oak silently witnessed League City's transformation. As urbanization spread, instead of being cut down, the entire community worked together to relocate it to a new home. This was truly a fantastic decision, not only preserving nature, but also allowing for the development of new infrastructure. What looks like a normal turn is actually a huge challenge for this 70-meter-long, nearly half-million-pound monster. Let's watch how the driver handles this geometric puzzle. How unfortunate. Although the truck driver tried his best to stay in the middle of the lane, the side of the equipment still collided with and knocked down the sign.
Já, filmei na hora que eu filmei.
Just one oversight in the route survey, and the entire convoy got caught in a maze of power lines in a residential area. Every meter of movement became difficult, requiring the help of the logistics team. They'll certainly learn a big lesson from this experience.
Pamberi pendatora beita. Pale rimwe riri pamberi after 88 years. Ene munoona iyi.
Wow, a whole line of blue tanks is being transported on the road. Can you guess what they'll be used for? If you liked our video, leave a 44 in the comments. Your support inspires us to create more. The Komatsu D375A-8, with over 600 horsepower and a weight of 73 tons, is an ideal choice for construction in high mountain terrain. Its heavy-duty undercarriage, tilt blade, and high torque allow it to break through frozen rock, push heavy materials uphill, and still maintain firm traction. Wow, a truck, flying through the mountains on a cableway system. This is a bold yet highly effective solution, helping to access difficult locations quickly and conveniently. It also proves that human innovation has no limits. Steel saving steel. The soft ground caused the Cat bulldozer to sink deep. Luckily, its excavator teammate appeared, extended its steel arm, and helped its friend escape the death trap. That action was truly fantastic. "147 tons of steel, 2 colossal valves are leaving Dinerwig Mountain for a national power upgrade mission. Each turn on the road is a step towards a new chapter for the plant, where hydroelectric power is unleashed through steel, engineering, and long-term vision. Can you guess the weight and length of this convoy? Well, the answer is 900 tons of steel and 100 meters in length. Wow, those numbers are truly impressive, far beyond what I imagined. Wow, that 6x6 truck's driving is absolutely incredible. I can't believe how smoothly that truck reversed and turned around. That takes some serious skill. Hats off to the driver. Chip sealing is a popular solution in Australia and the US. It's cost-effective and extends pavement life. Bitumen binds the aggregate, creating a skid-resistant, crack-resistant, and effective waterproof surface. Do you think this process is more efficient than conventional hot-mix asphalt paving? To build a wind farm, transporting each turbine component is an extremely crucial step. It requires a highly experienced technical team to ensure everything arrives on time, in the correct technical condition, and without any damage or harm to the equipment. The truck is like a wild beast, straining to conquer the thick, gooey mud, each wheel spinning in desperation. This isn't just driving anymore. It's a brutal wrestling match with nature.
No.
This afternoon, the TL-153 rolled out of Goulburn, not by rail, but on a trailer pulled by a K200 prime mover, from Sydney to Hong Kong, then back to Australia. The locomotive that once served in a faraway land is now embarking on a one-way trip. Wow, that dump truck landed as light as a feather. This rescue seems pretty successful, wouldn't you say?
The guy said it was 250 feet long, and they went down to Indian Canyon, and they couldn't make a run.
Good thing you're not going to work in front of you.
This is 275. Feet high. Looks like it's at least 30. Oh, it's gonna scrape. Yeah, it's gonna scrape. Look at that. These guys are here helping. There's a crew of like 8 guys helping out.
Hope you enjoyed the ride with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the exciting moments in our upcoming videos.